Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for Egg app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android app. First open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further it see this project. Next open the Android Studio. Its left side web folders. Below minimize button you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click a launch button. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android app. Let's move the app explanation. So open poultry farming app. There are one models user. If you want to create new user registers, enter the user register details like name, email, password. Enter all the details. Enter the mobile number, enter the address, enter all the details. Click register successfully. Enter the user email ID and password. Click login successfully. User managing the models. Click egg productions. If you want to create new egg production details like a date, egg count total, enter all the details. Date, enter the manual typing. Click submit it. Created successfully. What are the credits to view egg productions? Click view egg productions. View all the details. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Click day-to-day updates. Create a new day-to-day updates. Enter the day-to-day update details like date, a total number of egg. Enter all the details. Click submitted. Create successfully. What are the credits to view day-to-day updates? View all the details. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Click disease remedy. If you want to choose a symptom wise, you can view all the details. You can choose anything symptoms. You can view details treatment wise, anything view it. Come back to the home page. Click purchases sale. If you want to create new purchase sale, enter the details. Click submit it. Submit it successfully. What are the credits to view purchase sales? View the details. Come back to the home page. Click food quantity. If you want to enter the quantity, number of chicks, number of days, enter the type. You can choose a type of the feed, wheat or corn. You can view the details. Calculate the food quantities. You can choose anything. You can choose like a rice or corn, anything. Choose it. You can calculate the quantity food items to view the quantity food items. Come back to the home page. Click water quantity. If you want to enter a number of the chick number of days, you can view the water quantity details. Automatically calculate the water quantity details. You can view easily find details. Come back to the home page. Click vaccine quantity. Create a new medicine quantity. Enter the quantity details like vaccine, what type of vaccine, age. Enter all the details. Save. Created successfully. What are the creates to view vaccine? Click view vaccine. View the details. If you want to search options are there. If you want to delete, click delete. Deleted successfully. Click environmental. View the environmental details. Number of days, view it into temperature. View all the details. Click post feed. If you want to create new feed details, enter the feed details like a farmer name, date is typically only manually. Enter the date, number of bag. Enter all the details. Created successfully. What are the grades to view the view feed? Click view feed. View the details. If you want to search options are there. Click create delivery. If you want to create new delivery details, like enter the delivery details like date, from lorry number to file number. Enter all the details. Click created successfully. What are the grades to view the view delivery? Next, create the maintenance. If you want to create a new maintain details, enter the maintain details like date, tray, feed. What are the feeds or number there? Enter all the details. Click submitted. Create successfully. What are the grades to view the view maintains? View the details. If you want to update options are there. Next, click the post gallery. If you want to upload the images, click choose file. Submitted. Uploaded successfully. View the all gallery. If you want to, what are the gallery uploaded, you can view the details. If you want to delete option there. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Click my profile. View the my profile details. If you want to update option there. Now log out the user modules. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.